Now we're gonna do the bag, which is heavy, and he adjusts also, so they're gonna show you. Making your corners right there. Put your bag upside down, the zipper will be facing down, and it will be easy for you to remove and do it. I'll show you how he does it so you know how to do it. See, now he does your corner. We're coming to closure. Here it is done. It's sewing with no problem whatsoever. You make the stitches and all. One more stitch and you're done. And now you see your bag, it's complete. Nice. You see your bags sewing all around, the stitches and all, and it's done with the binder, which is the machine I'm going to send you back. Thank you very much.